Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the card type and capacity your device accepts. This avoids wasted steps. Once done, inspect the card and adapter. Clean contacts with a soft cloth to ensure good connection. Now, power off the device, open the slot gently, and insert the card until it clicks. You should feel a slight resistance. Make sure orientation matches the icon. Incorrect placement can bend pins, so take a breath and align carefully before closing the slot. With the card inserted, power on and check system recognition. You want a notification or mount icon. If fresh or mismatched, format using the device's tool or a PC. Choose FAT32 for less or equal to 32 GB, XFAT for larger cards, because that preserves file integrity. Once formatted, go into storage settings and set the card as default for media or app data if needed. This speeds transfers and prevents loss. Finish by testing. Save a photo, copy a file, or record a 30-second video to confirm stability. You want visible write speeds and no errors. Once satisfied, enable auto backup if available to protect data. If problems appear, safely eject and retry in another reader. Sometimes the slot or adapter is at fault. If the card stays unreadable after reformatting on PC, it's likely failed. Replace it, and remember, regular backups prevent data loss. So set one up now.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.